Well, I'm in a 2019 Chevy Malibu, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level. So first open the hood, and then while the vehicle's off, you find your dipstick here. This is for your oil, so you pull this all the way out, then wipe it clean with a good rag or a paper towel, and then stick it all the way back in, then pull it right back out. And then from here, if you can see in the video, there's a couple dots where that grid pattern is. The left dot is full, the right dot is low. So typically you want it towards that left dot where it's full. Let's say it is low. Stick this all the way back in. And then here is where you would add your oil. Make sure you've got the right type of oil, as well as the same synthetic, conventional, and brand you've been using. Ideally, best not to mix and match if you can help it. But you just unscrew this. And then either with a funnel in your quart jug or just straight from the jug, fill as needed. Try not to overfill if you can help it as well. But when you're done with that, screw this on nice and tight. And then I turn the vehicle on for like 5 seconds or so to circulate the new oil, and then turn it off, and then repeat the process with this dipstick of pulling that out, wiping it clean, and then sticking it in and seeing if we're towards that full dot now. And all that said, don't do any of this in lieu of regular oil changes, which typically, depending on motor type, vehicle mileage, things like that, synthetic, conventional oil, usually between 3,000 and 8,000 miles or so, you'll get those done, which you can do by putting the vehicle on a slight lift. You get underneath where the oil pan is, pull the oil plug, drain all the old oil out, replace any filters as needed, and then screw that plug back in nice and tight. And then fill with the recommended amount of oil for your particular motor. Screw this on nice and tight, and then repeat that original process again of pulling this dipstick, wiping it clean, sticking it in, and then checking if we're towards that full dot now. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.